If you've never taken a family studies class, you might not have the whole picture of what it's all about. Often overlooked when students consider their future, these classes can get a reputation for being mostly about sewing and cooking. But family studies is so much more than that. Kai, for example, took the class because he was interested in real-world skills. True, he did hope to learn how to mend his cheer uniform and cook for himself and figured that was good preparation for adulthood. And once he got to class, Kai did learn to cook for sure, but he also explored nutrition. This helped him understand the nutrients his body needs to have enough energy to perform the demanding physical activities required in cheerleading. He absolutely learned to mend his uniform, but he also covered aspects of fashion and interior design. What's more, he began to understand the ins and outs of personal finance and child development, further preparation for life after high school. In family studies, not only will you develop practical skills that you can use in your personal life, you can also apply these skills to all sorts of different jobs in the future. Among Kai's classmates, there might be a future financial advisor who helps people make smart decisions with their money. There could be an early childhood educator who guides their students as they grow and explore. Or there could be someone who becomes a retail buyer who learns about what consumers need and makes decisions about what products to stock in their stores. Plus, have you noticed what many of these careers have in common? Working to improve people's lives. While Kai still doesn't know what his future career will be quite yet, by taking family studies, he did discover that he enjoys using his skills to benefit others. From nutrition and fitness to fashion and furnishings, personal finance to early childhood development, hospitality to retail, family studies can introduce you to so many options. So don't underestimate what you can get out of a family studies class. You just might gain an impressive range of knowledge that you can use to make a difference in people's lives, as well as your own.